This was supposed to be a routine landing, but in just a few seconds, everything changed. Can you imagine this for a moment? Ladies and gentlemen, a long international flight. Passengers tired, some looking out of the window. The aircraft slowly descending. Newark airline in sight. Everything pretty normal, pretty calm. And then a shocking impact. A United Airlines flight carrying 221 passengers hits a light pole. Yes, mid-approach. But that's not all. Moments later, it also strike a tractor trail on the ground. Now this is United States Flight 169 flying from Venice, Italy, heading towards Newark Liberty International Airport. Time about 2 p.m. A critical phase of flight, the final approach where every second matters. And that's when it happened. The aircraft's landing gear and its underside clipped a light pole. The impact set off a chain reaction. The pole didn't just fall, it crashed onto the moving jeep below. And at the very same time, a tractor trail was hit. On the ground, there was a lot of chaos. On the aircraft, silence and then tension. But here's the miracle. Despite the impact, the plane kept on going. The pilots did not panic. They stayed in control and then a safe landing. Well, the aircraft touched down normally, taxied to the gate, as if nothing at all happened here. Thankfully, inside the plane, all 221 passengers and all 10 crew members, they were all safe and unharmed. But on the ground, one passenger wasn't so lucky. The truck driver involved in the collision was rushed to the hospital. Thankfully, no life-threatening injury has been announced till now. In the meantime, authorities rushed to the scene. New Jersey State Police arrived within minutes and began piecing together what exactly went wrong here. And now the big question begins. How did a landing aircraft get so close to a ground obstacle? Was it altitude, misjudgment, or something else? Ladies and gentlemen, the investigation has started not just by one agency but multiple. The Federal Aviation Administration is probing the incident and the National Transportation Safety Board is stepping in. And they want fast answers now. Flight data records, cockpit voice recorders, everything will be examined now. A primary report is expected within 30 days. And in the meantime, United Airlines is taking action. The aircraft is under inspection and the crew, they have been temporarily grounded. But here's another twist. This incident comes just days after a pilot reported a possible drone sighting near another airport. Coincidence or pattern? Another question, what are we looking at? Well, a rare accident or a clear sign for aviation safety, because this time everybody survived. But the margin was razor thin. And the final question is that the next time a plane descends over a busy road, will it always end like this or not?